Hi folks, welcome to week 14. I'm going to quickly go over what I'm going to have you guys working on this week. So, I know last week we talked about the loft tool, which is a great feature for you to use in Onshape, when you need to make those smooth connections between planes instead of, those really jagged connections. So, loft tool is great. Hopefully you'll have the chance to use that. I think you will. And utilize it. But this week, we're going to get back into our protective case. Now, we did part one of the protective case design 2 weeks ago, which I had you filling out and rough sketching some ideas. Now, for this week, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you focus on completing the top and bottom of that container and turning those in. So I'm not going to have you do part two paperwork yet. I'm going to save the paperwork until next week because I don't need you worrying about getting all three things done in 1 week. But I'm going to have you create the top and bottom. And you're going to create the top and bottom in Onshape um in the same file. It's just going to be why did that work? It's just going to be different tabs is like how I like to describe it as. So let me sign in and show you what I mean. And I have a video on here going over that, and it'll show you in the video, but I also wanted to show you in this video because I think more people are going to watch this, hopefully you watch both, but I wanted to go over what I meant by that, especially for the people that, might miss something or miss a class. So here's what I'm talking about. Top and bottom, same document, two different tabs. And to do that, you just enter into a document and you'll hit plus, create part, and that gives you two different parts in the same drawing. So that's what you'll do. That'll make assembling our top and bottom parts of the container so much easier. So for this week, I'm going to have you draw the top and the bottom of your container in Onshape, and you're going to submit those drawings. You're going to submit screenshots of those drawings in Schoology, and then also share with our team. And this video goes over how to create that kind of hinge effect, how to get this hinge. So I want everybody to watch that video because for some people, you're just going to stop here and that's all the further you're going to go with your hinge. But for some other people, you are going to go a little bit further, and I have not gone over how to do that. For the people that have been really doing well with Onshape, you're going to be making this hinge a little bit more detailed. For those that have struggled a little bit more, I'm going to have you stop here, and I can easily tell who does well and who doesn't based on your previous assignments. So don't be lazy. But those are the two things I have for you this week. Next week, you're going to finish the documentation and we're going to create a multi-view drawing that will include a section view. And it will be dimensioned and you will turn that in with part two, the part two assignment for the protective case. So this week, just focus on getting the top and bottom of your container completed. And I want to see you guys working hard on this. I want to see more than just rectangular shapes. I want to see that you've put some decent effort in. I don't want to see just a 20-minute drawing when you had all week to make something awesome. All right, that's why I'm giving you this time and giving you extra time to do it. Do not abuse this niceness I'm giving you. Please use the time wisely, okay? I will see you in class, and if you have any questions, you can ask them there or shoot me a Schoology message. See you later, guys.